Guys, what if you could pay your rent using QQQI dividends? In this video, we're going to look at the 5 most expensive cities in the state of Florida, and we're going to see how much of QQQI you would need to pay the average rent in each city. Guys, before we get to the video, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for informational purposes, so please do your own due diligence. Guys, the majority of this video is going to be math related. So guys, if you love math, this video is for you. Now, here's some rules. We're going to look at the average rent of each city. So no luxury apartments, no penthouse. We're going to be using the 14% distribution by QQQI. That's going to be part of our equation. And the rent is going to be paid off of solely on dividends. We're not looking at any capital gains, etc. And last but not least, this is going to be off of gross income. All right, so let's get to it. Let's get to the 5 most expensive city, starting with city number 1, Miami Beach, Florida. Miami Beach, Florida has an average rent of $3,200 a month, which comes out to $38,400 a year. Now, if we want to use QQQI dividends to pay the rent in this city, we will need $274,000. City number 2, Miami, Florida. The average rent for Miami, Florida is $3,000 a month, which comes out to $36,000 a year. Now, if we wanted to use QQQI dividends to pay our rent in the city of Miami, Florida, we would need $258,000 invested in QQQI. All right, the third city on our list is Key West, Florida, which has an average rent of $2,900 a month, which comes out to a yearly total of $34,800 a year. Now, if we wanted to use QQQI dividends to pay the average rent in this city, we're going to need $249,000 invested into QQQI. The fourth city on our list is Fort Lauderdale, Florida, with an average rent of $2,700 a month, which is around $32,400 a year worth of rent. Now, if we wanted to use QQQI dividends in order to pay the rent in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, we would need $232,000 in QQQI. All right, last but not least, the cheapest city on this list is West Palm Beach, Florida, with the average rent of $2,600 a month. That comes out to $31,200 a year. Now, if we wanted to use QQQI dividends to cover the average rent in this city, we will need $223,000 invested into QQQI. All right, so let's do a brief summary. In Miami Beach, Florida, you will need $274,000 invested into QQQI. Miami, Florida, you will need $258,000 worth of QQQI. Key West, Florida, $249,000 worth of QQQI. Fort Lauderdale, Florida, $232,000 worth of QQQI. And last but not least, Palm Beach, Florida, which is $223,000 worth of QQQI. Now, guys, you're probably listening to this video and saying, I don't have $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 today. And that is okay. You can work up to this, guys. All you have to do is reinvest in your dividends, contribute your capital on a regular basis, and just let compounding do its job. And over time, and eventually, your paychecks, your portfolio income will replace your paycheck. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you guys want me to make more content like this, please like the video, please share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day.